back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. Now, this company is hiring for 2 different positions, and I have both of them for you. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another job lead. And as always, all the job leads I discuss will be in the description box below. But with that being said, the company Speak Easy Authority Marketing, they are a marketing company. They have 2 different positions open. Both of them are paying $18 an hour, and one of them has advancement up to $20 an hour within the first 90 days. So this first position they have open is a customer service position. It is not a sales position. These are 1099 independent contractor roles. They are looking for someone to work as an independent contractor handling their customer service. You'll provide personalized phone and email-based customer service for their clients that are located throughout the United States. So they are looking for someone who has a great track record of success, someone who has the ability to keep their own file, schedule, and records and have strong attention to detail, someone who can work in a high-energy, fast-paced environment, someone who's a hard worker, coachable and willing to learn, and can bring bright ideas to the table. You have to have self-discipline because you will be working from home. Now, like I said, the pay is $18 an hour, and you're paid each week through ACH direct deposit. At 90 days, your performance will be reviewed, and if you pass your performance review, your $18 an hour pay will be raised to $20 an hour. Now, after 7 full months of working with them, they also offer a book of business bonus, which is a small percentage of your monthly payment of each of your clients you manage. So after 7 months, you will get pay plus commission. Now, they do require you to have your own computer and internet access. It says you must be available to start part-time around 20 hours a week, and they're going to expand that later as you get into it and work more and more and you prove yourself. They'll expand your hours to full-time between Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And the basis of the customer service you'll be doing is onboarding new clients, completing the intake process, and be the primary account manager for customers and prospects. You'll assess the new clients by providing them access to Google Maps and social media platforms. You'll establish their goals and go over their services in their contract, and you'll contact customers and follow up on new sales. Now, the next position this company is hiring is for a phone answering service. Now, they want applicants to provide proof you have to be able to work in the United States, and they're looking for someone to work a 4-hour shift between the hours of 8 a.m. and 11 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. Again, new hires are going to start part-time, 20 to 25 hours a week, and moving into full-time after the completion of a 90-day probation period. Pay is $18 an hour. Again, this is a 1099 contractor role, and they want someone who can work well as a team, who is dependable with integrity and a great work ethic, who can show up on time and stay for the entire work period, who can prioritize answering inbound calls within 3 rings, someone who has the ability to learn new skills and the ability to multitask. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.